You're getting to that age where you finally need to open up a bank account, but how do you do it?
In this video, we're going to tell you how to open your first bank account.
Opening a bank account is pretty simple once you decide where you want to bank and what type of accounts that you want to sign up for. If you're over the age of 18, you can sign up for a single account where you're the sole owner of that account. If you're under the age of 18, you'll most likely need to get a joint checking account with a parent or guardian who is over the age of 18. Just be careful with who you pick because this person is going to have full access to your account just like you. They're going to be able to withdraw money from your account, deposit money into your account, and they'll be able to see all of your purchases with this account. If you need to get a joint account because you're under the age of 18, make sure that the account that you get is a transferable account. This means that you can transfer the account into only your name once you're 18 years old. There are some credit unions that allow high school students to open up their own checking accounts and savings accounts.
Before you head to the bank, make sure that you meet all of the criteria for opening an account. Most banks are going to require two different types of government ID, like a state ID and a driver's license, or your physical social security card. It can't be a copy. And you have to have those with you in order to open the account. Plus, you have to give them your full name, your date of birth, your address, phone number, email address, social security number, and like I said, you have to have the valid government ID. So some credit unions will also accept current student ID cards if you're a student ages 17 and under.
You'll also need to have at least the minimum amount of money required for opening the account.
Duh.
This can be different based on the bank and the type of account that you choose. Most banks are going to require anywhere from $25 to $100 per account that's being opened, while some credit unions will let you open an account with as little as $5. You don't physically have to go into the bank to open these accounts. You can do this right now from your computer. Most banks and credit unions allow you to digitally sign any documents that you need in order to be able to open up an account with them.
Signing up online for your bank or credit union tends to be a lot faster than if you went in person. Each account takes on average like 10 or 15 minutes to set up compared to if you go in person, it can take like 30 minutes or more because the banker is going to talk your ear off. After you open the account online, you probably still have to go physically into the bank to make your first deposit unless you already have another bank account, and then you can just make a transfer from that account to your new account, but typically you have to go in and make a deposit. Opening an account online is not the same thing as using an online bank, so I just want to make that clear.
If you make the decision to use an online bank, you're still going to need to provide the same personal information that Alex spoke about a little bit ago. With some banks, you're done opening your account once you provide this information. Once you digitally sign or physically sign the legal agreements, you can start using the account almost immediately. Some online banks don't require an opening deposit, while others require an initial deposit within 30 to 60 days of opening the account.
If that's the case and you need to make a deposit to open your account with an online bank, it might be easier to just open your first account at a bank or credit union in person and then open your additional accounts online after that. Making your initial deposit to an online account is typically done by making an online transfer from an already existing bank account or by setting up direct deposit from your employer. So if you have to use an online bank and you don't have another bank to transfer that money, it's pretty difficult to start with an online bank.
Yeah. Opening a bank account is a pretty easy process. In our opinion, finding all of the documents like your social security card and getting a government issued ID if you don't have one is a lot harder of a process than opening a bank account.
Picking which bank is right for you is ultimately something that's going to come down to you and your needs from a bank, and everybody's different. We both have bank accounts at big banks and at credit unions, and we use them for different things. So you got to get out there and get yourself a bank account that fits you and your needs.
If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you guys want to find more videos about this type of stuff, make sure you guys check out our next video, why you need multiple bank accounts. In the comments below, let us know if you guys had any questions.
And we'll see you in the next video.